Hey everyone, just a real quick update about the Chevy Bolt battery recall. So GM has released some more information about this round of battery recalls. More cars have caught on fire since the last recall, so they are recalling it again. And here's what GM is suggesting that you do so that your Bolt doesn't catch on fire. Don't charge over 90%. Make sure your battery doesn't go below 70 miles. Park your car outside, not inside. And don't charge overnight. I'll put a link in the description to the recall page so you can read it for yourself. I don't know about you, but some of these things are going to be kind of hard to do, so here's to hoping that my car doesn't catch on fire. And from the verbiage in the recall, it kind of sounds like they might replace all of the Bolt batteries that are out there, but it might just be the cars that are affected. It's not too clear to me what they're going to be doing. And also, let's hope that we don't go 6 months without hearing anything from GM like we did in the last recall. I personally would kind of like to know what's going on with my car and hopefully be able to charge and just use my car like normal as soon as possible. So that's it for this video. It's a nice short one. I have a Model Y video coming up soon, I promise, maybe in a couple weeks. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.